Welcome to Genius Mail. So today we will see what is Genius Mail and what its functionality. So what is Genius Mail? First of all, Genius Mail is nothing but a Chrome extension where you can like exactly it's a Chrome extension with a mail merge system for Gmail only. See, you can see that a powerful mass email and mail merge system for Gmail. Okay, so let's take a look of its functionality. So once you download and installed it from Chrome Store, it will redirect you to Gmail. See to which email it will redirect. I've already logged in. Maybe yeah, I've already logged in. So I'm showing you guys from this email ID what its functionality and how you logged in our Chrome extension. What are the permission you have to give to use our Chrome extension? Why you need to give this permission? We will discuss all about this. So once you like logged in Gmail, once you loaded in Gmail, it will ask for Chrome extension login purpose. You have to log in our Chrome extension first. It will ask for only once. Okay, so first of all I am logging it. This is our demo user and 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is our password. So once you logged in our Chrome extension, if you haven't give any like permission in Google, so it will ask for Google permission. So you have to sign up with Google. Then you have to select your email ID from which email ID you are going to log in. See the after select email ID, this screen will come. What exactly, see you can see the app is not verified yet, as because our application hasn't verified yet by Google. That's why this screen is coming. So you have to go advance and go to geniusmail.io. Once it is verified from the Google, it will not come again. See, for it will first it's asking for read, compose, send and permanently delete your all your email. That doesn't mean we are going to delete your all your email. It has like some basic functionalities, like we have to read your email for uh, for our functionality. We will see like for which purpose we need this permission. We have to compose and send also. Okay, so let's see what it's asking for next. Send email on your behalf. Yes, we like from the backend we are exactly send a mail on users behalf, so you have to give this permission also. See, edit, create and delete Google Drive Google Drive files. So what exactly we are doing, we are like accessing user spreadsheet that comes under the Google Drive files. So we need your drive permission also. And see, edit, create and delete your spreadsheet permission. So as well as we need like we are accessing user spreadsheet. From spreadsheet we are continuing with our functionalities, so that's why we need our spreadsheet permission. So once you allow from this, see, this is geniusmail.io. This is our official website of geniusmail. After allowing, okay, see, this mail is coming. Genius Mail is accessing like your data. So after allowing all those things, after installed and allowing all these things, if any buttons is not coming there, you have what you have to do, just click on the extension once. After click on the extension, see these three buttons are coming. What it is: connect email list, follow up campaign and learn more. What it's all this? Let's see. First, connect email list. See, you don't have any spreadsheet in your Google Drive yet. Create one now and then come back here. So you have to create one spreadsheet. So where you do you create? Here. See, sheets. This comes under the Google Drive files, right? So you have to create one spreadsheet from here. See, we can see here first name, last name, anything maybe your column name is. Okay. So we are suppose using gender and address. I am taking first name here and must have an email ID. Second name we are giving. See, so we have created one spreadsheet. Give the name of the spreadsheet. Suppose it's a demo spreadsheet. Okay. So we've created successfully created one spreadsheet here. So now if you click on this button, you will see one spreadsheet is coming. As because we are accessing your like drive files and your spreadsheet, so we can like fetching your spreadsheet from your drive files and we are showing over there. See, from this demo spreadsheet, once you connect to the spreadsheet, only sheet 1 is there. You can select sheet also. See, those two email IDs are coming, whichever are we are written over there. See, this is the subject. So we are hiding the basic like Gmail button. This is our personalization field, basically settings button. So what you can do from here exactly that this is personalized field. See what are the column names are there in the spreadsheet, these all are coming in this drop down. You can select from here and just paste it here. This all will like merge merge all these like these columns value with this field. Okay, let's see. And you can merge these fields with the value also. Okay, and these are the like tracking purpose open and click. So we are sending this mail individually, one by one, to these addresses. Okay, so if you want to like track it, so whether these email ids, from these email ids, they have opened or not, you can like add this tracking button here, opens. And clicks means you have to like see this, you have to make sure that at least one trackable link is there. So once you like provide any email, any link is there, then only you can like avail this click function. Okay, and auto follow up is there. Like see, if you select this option, there are three options are there: no replay, no open, no click. So at which condition you are sending, you want to send the auto follow up mail, like if they, if these addresses didn't give any reply to your email id, then only you will like then you can send the mail, you can send auto follow up message, or or they have, or they didn't open, or they didn't click. See these three functions, these three, and all are also there. If they didn't replay also, they didn't open, they didn't click. So you can like send a auto follow up message, automatically a mail will send to their email id from our backend. See, these are the auto follow up message, you can set from here. Send custom message above. If you select this one, if you previously like create any campaign, if you previously created any campaign, those campaigns will come over here. You can send like custom message from previous campaign, you can send a message. You can copy a message and provide for, and provide for your email ID, auto follow up message. So these are the like functionalities once you like send the mail. See what it's coming: please wait for some time, your mail is sending through genius mail. Till then, please do not any operation, don't do any operation while your mail is sending. So don't do any operation from like from genius mail purpose. See, the mail is sent, congratulations, you did it. So let's take a look in the send option. See, those two email ids are like, the mail has been sent to those email ids one by one, so that this user so that this user will uh, this user doesn't know that which email addresses, in which email addresses this mail are sending. Okay, so this you can see that, hey Indronil, this is your subject. So already this first name has been replaced by our spreadsheet value. Okay, so we can like see that a mail merging system is working over here. How in hey Indranil said your address is Vancouver, we have selected our like mail merging system over here. So now you can like, you have created one campaign and you have sent to this mail. Now you are seeing that these buttons are there, that is follow up content campaign one. What it is, you can like manual follow up for this campaign also. You can see those subjects are coming, whichever you have selected, whichever you have given for that campaign. Hey, first name, this is your subject. Once you select the subject, you will get the option to like through which people like to whom this mail are sending. They have opened or opened mail or not, they have clicked on this mail or not, they are given any reply on this mail or not. So you can track all those things by this like from by this manual campaign. So once you like select that, send those two people, in which condition like you are selecting those email ids will come again, and you can again send this, or you can again send the mail to those email ids in which condition you are like looking for. Okay, so means you are doing a manual follow upping. whatever the scenario is going over here, that is auto follow up, that will automatically say, automatically it will send mail from the backend by uh, by checking your this condition. Okay, based on this condition. And if you want to like do it in manually, you can do it from here also. Here you will select the which campaign you are from which campaign you want to do this manual follow up, which condition you want to do manual follow up. This like these all the things are there. Okay, and one button is there, that is learn more. From here you can go to our directly like, or if you want to know more about this Genius Mail, you can go to this like learn more button. See, this is our Genius Mail version. How exactly you can get it, and like from where exactly you can get it, you will know all the information from here. Okay, so it basically gives a extra functionality to our Gmail. We can send a bulk mail from this Gmail. Okay, okay. So that's all. This is all the functionalities from Gmail. Okay, from Genius Mail basically. So that's all. Thank you.